Okay, folks, today is Saturday, October the 8th, 2016. This is Louise Street in Hollywood Heights. I had initially uploaded a video that was about 15 minutes long, but I wasn't able to upload it to social media, so I'm attempting to go down here and show you the aftermath. This is Louise Street in Hollywood Heights. My name is Quantadine Henson Gribble. I'm attempting to show you just how bad it got today, which is Saturday, October the 8th, 2016. This is Louise Street. This is on the right-hand side. That's Mr. Stevens' house. Coming up, this is Mrs. Broom's house. And you're going to see just how dangerous it gets when we get to Christine Whitehead's house. I mean, folks, I haven't seen anything like this in my entire life out here in Hollywood Heights, and I've been out here off and on a total of 52 years. And even though we had flooding a couple weeks ago, we had absolutely nothing like this. So as you can see how dangerous it's getting right now. Christine's car is submerged a little bit underwater, but you won't be able to see the other cars that are completely underwater on Louise Street out here. Now it gets dangerous. You see Mr. Johnson's house and the following houses down the street here, and they're completely underwater. We have some more folks that's videotaping as well. Mr. Swapshire's house is underwater, and my neighbors, and the bridge is completely submerged underwater. There's about 4 or 5 vehicles underwater over here by the bridge. I don't believe the bridge is 100% intact anymore. And as you can see, this is very dangerous. High water here on Louise Street. We had to emergency evacuate some of our neighbors today, and I certainly hope there's nobody else left in any of these houses in Hollywood Heights that's flooding. But it's very dangerous right now. There's been people out here today not believing how bad it is. That's Kelly Cotton's house. And then there's Mrs. Salone's house up there. And you can see going up the hill that we got a little reprieve. But I'm telling you, it's very dangerous. This water, when it started, it didn't look like it was going to get this high, but it exceeded what happened out here in Hollywood Heights just a few days ago. And now this is what you call a catastrophic emergency situation. I don't know what the rest of Fayetteville looks like, but I know this street, Louise Street in Hollywood Heights, is completely flooded towards the bottom of Louise Street and their entire bridge. Today is October the 8th, 2016. My name is Quantadine Henson Gribble. God bless you. Alrighty. That's it. I guess you want to see how bad it was, huh? Okay, hold on. Oh, she all right?
Yeah, she says thank you very much. Quantity. Yeah. She's Negroes